Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charissa, you're Filipina from Las Vegas. So for today's video, I was about to go to work and again, we got our Boxycharm. This one is our base box. So if you guys is not familiar what a Boxycharm is basically a makeup subscription. You get a skincare, makeup, brushes, hair care, all of that good shebang that we all girls need. This one is the base box. I don't know what's going on again with my premium box. I just did the choice this morning. If you haven't made your choice for the month of May, today as I'm filming this is the 19th, the choice is open now. And also the add-ons, they haven't even shipped my April premium box. So for today's video, we are going to be unboxing our Boxycharm base box. So the base box is $25 a month. You get 5 full-size items. You get to customize one. And let's just go ahead and check out what we did receive on our base box. So this is our theme for this month. Every month they do have like this pamphlet right here, this card, and that will give you the description of the products that's in here, how much is the retail value, and it will have your variation. This month's base box we did get, ooh, I am seeing something that I like. It's C2104218-BA_C. So yes, when 2021 hits, they always have this long, what do you call this, variation. So let's see what we have in our base box. So right from the bat, I see this. What is this? It is from Eloise Get Well Gleaming Body Glow Illuminator. So this one costs $38. This is a non-sticky, lightweight illuminizer that can be applied to all areas on the face and body for a dazzling buildable glow. So let's just check it out. So it's kind of like this. Let me just try to buff it in with a foundation brush. Oh, it looks nice. Maybe I should put it on my neck, on my décolleté. Let's put a little bit in here. So let's just check it out. I hope I don't get messed up because I'm about to go to work right now. Ooh. I don't know if it's picking up in the camera, but it just gives you like a sheer nice glow right there. It's actually look really nice and it feels lightweight. So that is our first product. It is, sorry about that. It is the Eloise Get Gleaming Body Glow Illuminator. Retails for $38. And then our second part, this one was I think my choice for this month. It is the Studio Makeup Tinted Moisturizer Creme Hydrated Tint with hyaluronic acid. So like what I said in my other video, I'm trying to like try on more of the CC creams, more of what I call this, like this light products right here, instead of having like a full matte, full coverage foundation. And again, hello, how are you? Come on, I don't have all day. It's not pumping. So I have noticed every month that I do get my box, there's always gonna be like a one product out of the 5 that I'm going to get that somehow it's either the dropper or the pump, it's not working. So let me know in the comments down below if you also like that. Like this one right here does not work also, the pump. I know it's new, but as you can see, I did try to pump it a lot of times. So this guy right here retails for $35. It just sucks, the pump is broken. And I love products that do have a pump because I don't like digging my fingers. And our next product is a lip what is this? Be a Bombshell. So this one is a Be a Bombshell Cosmetic Lip Gloss. A lip gloss formula that offers long-lasting color and a high shine. Retail price is $14. So let me just open this up. Maybe we could try it on my lip right now. I'm kind of not liking it. It's not really glossy compared to the Persona lip gloss that I have received from Boxycharm. This one is not like really, you know, like it really moisturizes your lips. I have to go in a couple of times for me to get this one. So I'm not really impressed about this, but we're still gonna do like a try on my next video so we can see. And our next products that we have is the Creme Shop Shading Cream Trio. So this is kind of like a bronzer, I guess. So this one, this guy right here, it is gonna be like a cream bronzer contour that we have this going on right here. So I will do another video testing out this products that we did receive. I'm gonna try to wait for my premium box, but we'll just see. And this guy right here retails for $18, and it's a this contour palette is formulated to be ultra blendable and ultra buildable for the perfectly shaped and sculpted features. So I'm really excited to try this one. I hope I can tour properly, correctly my nose with this shade right here. And I did try to save the best for last. Oh, did I say how much is this one? This one is $35. And we got the Natasha Denona Ayana eyeshadow palette. So when I did my choice last month, as far as I know, this one is one of the choice, but it was sold out on that. Ooh, I love the shades. Ooh, this is my jam. This is the color story of this palette. It is a 5-pan eyeshadow palette. I just can't resist. And as you can see, that is the shimmer and this palette, and I cannot wait to try this one out. So here you go, guys. This is the products that we did receive on our Boxycharm this month of April from our base box. Let's just total up how much our total value is. Oh, by the way, that Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette is $48. So $48 for that palette, $35 for the Broken Moisturizer, and the Eloise is $38, $18 for that Creme Shop, the contour and trio, and the Bombshell lip gloss is $14. So we do have a total value for our base box of $153. I think it's a pretty good deal. I did not like most of the items that I did receive. I would say I'm super excited about this. I like this one. I'm excited to try this one on. This one is okay for me because I'm not really the illuminating like this kind of girl. And this one is broken. This one is like, yay, you know, whatever. So I'm going to do a video regarding trying on the eyeshadow palette that we did receive for today. So thank you guys for watching. I also will leave in the description down below information about the Boxycharm. If you guys wanted to sign up, I will leave it down below, and also a code for you to use. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you can get notified on all of my future uploads. Thank you guys for watching.